When you put your car in gear and you hear a clunk, or you just feel something weird, like your transmission is like jiggling or some type of movement, you will feel it. Most likely this is the problem. A bad motor mount. Woo! That's a real bad motor mount right there. But that's what happens if you leave it go for too long. And then it ruins more than just this motor mount. It'll ruin your other motor mounts. It'll ruin your suspension. So make sure you take care of your car so it'll last longer and won't mess up other parts. Thanks for watching. Eric the Tire Guy.